Hello Nampa, this is Matt Sizemore with the Nampa School District, and I am here at Skyview High School for the first of many videos, and we're going to be focusing on one of my favorite subjects of all, which is food. We're going to start doing some food reviews, and our first stop is inside the Hawks cafeteria, so let's see what they got. Here it is the Skyview Hawks cafeteria, where of course kids come to eat some fantastic and nutritious food, but also it's a place where people can come have events. It's a multi-purpose room as well. Huge space, a lot of tables, great area. Now my choices are Uncrustables, which you get the peanut butter and strawberry or grape variety. Never had one despite having a 4-year-old. I'm gonna grab a bowl of chili right here. This chili just looks fantastic. I'm gonna grab one of these as well in a moment. But I'll be back to that. I want to make sure it fits on this tray. Breadstick, I don't think I've ever refused a breadstick in my life, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Look at these fries. Got to be healthy. I'm going with some broccoli. Here we go. Give me a little scoop of that. Let me try that one more time. Get on here. A couple little things of broccoli. Fit that. Whoa, I didn't even spill. That's just fantastic right there. And there's a nice salad bar here, too, that I forgot to hit. So you know what, maybe I'll just grab a couple of carrots. I'm gonna go with that for now, and everything else looks fantastic. My goodness, what a setup. So the main meal today, or I guess one of the main meals, is a beef chili with beans. We've got some all white meat popcorn chicken right here. I'm excited for this broccoli. I'm never excited for broccoli. I am today. Got a good looking breadstick right here, some carrots so my eyes can hopefully get better, and I'm gonna make this happen right now. I'm super excited. Let's do this. He says without trying it. This is how you want to eat your broccoli, steamed. It's not adding any calories, it's not adding any oils or anything like that. It's just steamed broccoli, to the point, pure health right here. You'll like that, or you won't, one of those. Popcorn chicken, I've just dipped in Skyview's own barbecue sauce. I don't think that's accurate, but we're going to go with that. Yeah, hand-breaded. Don't know if that's accurate. That's good. Yeah. So I'm just going to try the fries. They taste like fries, and good ones. You know what I'm going to do? I'm getting wild. Here we go. Nampa, you with me? Let's get wild. It broke, so I'm not getting too wild. Try a carrot. I don't know why I used my fork. There we go. Oh man, that's a good carrot. You can tell this is fresh. Great crunch to it. No seasoning, which is good for your carrots. Also, you shouldn't talk with your mouth full, like I've been doing this entire time. Yeah, overall, I mean, these kids are eating good here. Let's try this breadstick right here. You know what? That's like I think it was made of whole wheat, possibly half wheat. I got something else to dip in my chili. Yeah, it's a nice, warm, healthy, nutritious meal. I give it a big old thumb up. You know, I'll go with two. 2 thumbs up. 2 and 1 fry too. All right, well, that was a fantastic meal. Closing that out now. Finished it all, waste not, want not. And now I'm being told we're going to go to a little line called the a la carte line, I believe, which I believe is Spanish or Italian for of the cart. Here's something called Frazil. I don't know what that is. I just think it's an expression when you are frustrated with something, you get frazzled. Is that how that goes? Anyway, this looks like a Slurpee of sorts, but I understand it's healthier. So I'm going to find out how that is, not only taste-wise, but how it's healthier also. But it looks like it's having a good time in there. Well done, Frazil. There's some flavors. Simply mango, very cherry, not just a little cherry, green apple, blue razzmatazz. That's fun to say. And pog, which is, I'm glad it says it, not just pog, passion fruit, orange, and guava. So the lovely April here is going to show us what today's menu. What have we got, April?
It's green apple Frazil and pog, as the kids call it, which is passion fruit, orange, and guava slushies.
Okay.
They're all 100% juice. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is there a favorite between these two for kids?
Between these two, it's the pog one.
The pog.
Yeah.
May I please try some pog, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm excited. Pog me, as they say. I don't know if they say that. I have successfully opened the straw. Now I'm going to try this pog. Let's try this. Oh my God, pog is delicious. I've been frazzled and loving every single moment of it. Oh my gosh, I'm coming back here for Frazil every day. It's Frazil, right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. I've been pogged and frazzled, and I'm happy about this. 5 stars. Give me that pog all day. My goodness. All right, Nampa, had a wonderful time here at Skyview. Some very good stuff, and it's really cool in this first episode, I suppose you can say, to see how kids are eating and know that they are eating well. And this Frazil, my goodness, it's good stuff. So until next week, I'm Matt Sizemore. Talk to you soon.